Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the home screen transition animation on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the home screen. Now from here, tap on settings. Now from here, tap on transition effects. Now from here, select any effect you like. Now for an example, if you select cube and tap on done, the transition effect will be like this. Now, if you select any other style like tumble, the transition effect will be like this. And this is how you can change the home screen transition animation on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.